Lemlist Tutorial and Demo. Basically how to use this service and tool. For a short explanation, Lemlist is somewhat a cold email and sales engagement platform pretty much designed to help you automate personalized outreach campaigns. But to get started, you're going to have to get yourself an account. So you're going to sign up and connect your email account depending on what you prefer. So you can do this over here in the top right corner, sign up for free, or you could get a demo if you'd like. There's also this option here, which is to start a 14-day free trial. But in our case, we're going to go with a sign up for free option for now. And we're going to go ahead and put in our information. First of all, you can choose which best describes you. Maybe a founder or CEO, a SDR leader, an SDR, growth or marketing. But again, pretty much depends on you. How many people would use Lemlist in your company? So choose the available options. And what are you looking to achieve with Lemlist? You can go ahead and toggle all of the options that suits and fits your situation. Let's say you want to send email campaigns, you want to automate LinkedIn outreach, but again, pretty much depends on you. Then once that's all done, just go ahead and press on continue, which should just bring you directly into your dashboard even before getting yourself a plan. So in the dashboard, you will be able to track open rates, you can do replies, clicks, and bounce rates in real time to see how your campaign is performing. Lemlist also does include email warm-up features to improve deliverability and reduce spam risk, which is pretty much helpful if you're sending high volumes of cold emails. You can A/B test subject lines, adjust sequences, pause leads who reply, and manage conversations directly inside the inbox view. So with that, overall, it's a straightforward tool for automating personalized outreach while keeping control over targeting, tracking, and optimization. So in general, most of the tools will be found here on the left, from finding and managing, engaging, and analyzing. And if you've just started with your Lemlist, you will have a starter amount of credits as well, as you can see. So most likely some stuff and some tools you can use in Lemlist will cost some credits, but you can always go ahead and buy more. So depending on how much you'd like, you'll also be able to see a price tag for that. So prepare your payment method and just go ahead and buy those credits. So that's pretty much the general idea on how Lemlist could work. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.